Hi everyone, today we're gonna do some beans in the Ninja Foodi, and it's really simple, doesn't take that much. We're gonna do the saute and we're gonna do temperature to medium. Medium's good. So right now I'm sauteing on medium with the lid open. That's how you saute it. I'm doing the bacon. My bacon's frozen, so I'm gonna do that, and then we're gonna add the other ingredients. Okay, so the bacon defrosted, I cut it into some pieces. I threw it in there. I'm waiting for them to get a little bit more crispy. Once that's done, then we're gonna add onion and tomato, and we're gonna add some cilantro and some pieces of jalapeno to it, and then we're gonna let that saute for about 4 minutes. Right now the bacon is almost to 5 minutes, so we're almost there. Okay, added some tomatoes, some onions, some garlic, some cilantro, and now I'm gonna turn it off, and we're gonna go ahead and add the beans and the water. I'm doing 1 pound of beans, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash them, and then we're gonna go ahead and add them to the Ninja Foodi. Okay, we're gonna add the beans. And we're gonna add 3 cups of either water or chicken stock. It's up to you. Here comes 1 cup. 1. 2. And last one. And 3 cups of water. Okay, we added all the ingredients. Now we need to put the pressure cooker lid on. Make sure you hear that click. And we're gonna put it on pressure cooker, temperature on high, and the time is gonna be for 30 minutes. And start. See you guys in 30 minutes. Okay, the beans are done, and I vented out the pressure. Let's see. Wow, they look delicious. Alright. They're a little too dry, so I added 3 cups of water, and I tasted them, and they need some salt. You can add salt to your preference. Mine needs more salt, so I'm gonna put it on the pressure cooker. So the 10 minutes are up. They tasted kind of hard, so I'm adding them for another 10 minutes. 10 minutes are up, and this is what they look like. Tastes good, but if you like them really soft, then I would add 10 minutes, but for me that is fine. We're gonna leave them here.